Hello everyone, I am Rudra Bingade from Secret Public School and my project name is Stem Cell. Now my friend will explain the introduction part of stem cell.
Hello everyone, my name is Rudra Pratap Kollin and I am going to introduce our topic stem cells. Stem cells are undifferentiated type of cells. They have a unique ability to grow, repair and regenerate. Importance of stem cells. First, regenerative medicines. They can be used to replace diseased and damaged organs. Second, development and research. They can be used for development and research. Means doctors and scientists are researching on the topic, so our research will be helpful for them. Third, drug testing and development. Stem cells can be used to test drugs safely and efficiently. Fourth, tissue engineering. They can be used to grow tissues and cells in lab. Fifth, disease modeling. They can be used to create models of disease to demonstrate medicines. I will hand over to my friend.
Now we will move ahead to the types of stem cells. The stem cells are categorized on the basis of their potential and origin. There are 4 types of stem cells: the embryonic stem cell, adult stem cell, induced pluripotent stem cell, and perinatal stem cell. Now the embryonic stem cell is extracted from the early stage embryo. Here is the extraction process. Adult stem cells, these stem cells are extracted from the adult cells like muscles, blood cells, nerve cells, cardiac cells, liver cells. Induced stem cells, they are formed from 3 germs there: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. And the perinatal stem cell, here the umbilical cord is used to extract the stem cell. Now the extraction method, one is through blood and one is through bone marrow. Now the challenges we are facing is with respect to the storage and the costing of the stem cell. Thank you.